anybody can put my name on is a check.
This girl gave me a horrible gift. The minimum was $25. It was a thing where you didn't have to do it if you didn't want to.
Have you ever gotten a shite Secret Santa gift? I definitely have, and people on Instagram are expressing and showing their Santa gifts that are just awful.
So when I first got my gift, look at how cute it's wrapped up and got the little, she know I love pink. So I'm reading this assuming I know what's gonna be in this bag.
Right, I would think Bath and Body Works.
Do you see any alphabets on these candies?
No. Yes. Okay, but I feel like there are those candy cane M&Ms without the M's on them. I'm not 100%.
Talking about strawberry shortcake, my beauty work.
Oh, and then like
Body Work, my beauty work. This mess, I put it on my hand.
Dollar Tree.
Ain't
Yeah.
got no strawberry smell or nothing to it. Just straight isopropyl alcohol.
At least it might work.
I got the dry sanitizer on there. I'm coming behind it with this here lotion. Talking about strawberry shortcake lotion. This ain't nothing but water. I'm talking about it's thin as white milk.
I hate that.
Don't put this candle in this bag. Y'all, this do not, Bath and Body Works do not sell no apple orchid. And it don't even, it smells straight up like wax. And then I had the nerve to put these little matches in here. This the cutest thing in here, and left the price on these was 50 cents.
Right.
Don't put my name on no more Secret Santa. Only thing anybody can put my name on is a check.
I always think you should take the tags off of things that you give people, or scratch out at least the price, so they can at least scan the barcode if they are going to return it. But when somebody sees something that you've given them, like a 50-cent, $1 item that was on clearance, they could kind of see that as not, you don't think of them very highly. So definitely scratch that out, even though you got a good bargain. I totally do that too. I throw in little things that I totally think are cute, but yeah, I don't want people to see how much they are.
The limit to this Secret Santa was $25. In the bag there was one gift that was worth $28, that one item, but I didn't want to give just one item, so I threw a bunch of other stuff in there. And that person that randomly got my gift messaged me personally, looked me up and found me, messaged me personally and said I needed to do better and that she didn't think my gift was worth $25. Ma'am, one item was $28. Why is the number, you know, the monetary number, why is that your number one focus?
Right, with the Secret Santa gift, it's kind of like just getting something for somebody, and budget's $25. If you can go under, if you can go over, it's fine, as long as the gift is substantial. I think it's crazy that her Secret Santa looked her up and they told her her gift wasn't good enough. I would never do that, especially like if you're that concerned about it. Maybe look up the price of the item first rather than just assuming it wasn't that much, because for example on Etsy or even like small shops, a bar of soap in the store can maybe be like $4, but if it's a bar of soap that somebody made, it could be like $11 or $12, and you can't always assume that cost. If you like this video, please subscribe and leave a like. You can also comment what you might want to see next.
Why is that what you're bothering me about?
I will not be participating at Secret Santa anymore at any job, any
It's literally gloves, opened gloves, a baby oil,
everybody's supposed to brought their gifts.
makeup wipes. I think those could be useful. Okay, and then they ended up seeing that video and they got her something better, which is great. I don't know what that is though. Some soap, a succulent.
All right, so I'm at my second
I couldn't
job
see the
and
last
we
thing,
did
but-
Secret Santa, but let's open up and see what I got. So on my list, I put Disney, cats, and something else, and I was like, please don't buy me like Bath and Body Works candles or anything like that. Disney. Okay, let's see if I can open this up.
She's like so excited to
Also
see
hard
this,
to do with one hand.
which I would be too. Something
did it.
Disney.
And I got
Cute.
earrings.
Oh, I like those earrings. Oh no. She's
I
literally
don't think this person really knows me.
Yeah, she's literally
Put a
wearing
finger down if you
cages.
ever did Secret Santa at your job and you end up picking that cool ass coworker that you wanted to get anyway. So you took your $25 budget, you went to the Dollar Tree and you bought her $20-something worth of cleaning supplies because that's what she said she wanted on her list. You wrapped it up in a cute little basket and you delivered it to her the next day. A couple hours go by, you notice that everybody else is getting their gifts and you realize you ain't getting your gifts. It's close to the end of the day, so you go up to your boss and you say, hey boss, do you know who had me? Do you know what's going on? Day's almost done and I ain't got no gift yet. Your boss decides to go ahead and inform you and let you know that the person that actually had you came up to them that morning and told them that they had no money. So the boss went ahead and gave them an additional $25 so they can go ahead and buy
That's
you a
nice
gift.
of them.
And instead of actually buying you a gift, they turned around and bought themselves $20 worth of whatever they bought themselves and then went to Walmart and bought you a $5 nail polish.
Oh no, that's the worst. And then she puts her finger down. Oh, that's so bad. Okay, $75 for a Santa gift is crazy. Literally, if it was only my best friend, I would do this. This is what she got back. Probably clearance necklaces, some candy, some press-on nails that were open, kind of. That's kind of cute. That was glittery. And just some cheap, a used eyeshadow palette. Who would do that?
I'm never doing Secret Santa again because I be giving nice gifts. And just tell me why? It's supposed to be $25, baby. No. $25 minimum. No.
Okay, that could definitely be a $25 gift. Just saying. Because it's like, you could get that from the gift store at Margaritaville, and I could definitely see that being $25. 20, 25, 30, just because, you know, it came from the gift shop.
I'm never doing Secret Santa again.
Okay, her Secret Santa. Bunch of stickers, nice. And a disposable camera, an accident camera. I don't even know what that is. What?
Update on my Secret Santa. So his supervisor had went and talked to him and asked him.
Looks like he got back to her.
Stuff that was not even on my Christmas list. He said he thought it was white elephant gift exchange. I'm kind of confused because we did Secret Santa questionnaires and he said, oh, that's what that list was for. I was supposed to buy her something off that list. We've been communicating through emails with the entire office about Secret Santa, which has been in the subject line, Secret Santa. So I'm just confused where he got white elephant, but it's okay. He came back and brought me another gift. It was 2 bottles of wine, and some M&Ms, some pretzels, and a bag of pretzels, and a mango con chile, which I never put none of that stuff on my list, but it's fine. He tried to make up for what he gave me, so it's okay.
That's what she got. I don't, like, it kind of seems like she's still kind of ungrateful. But to be honest, the person who got her the gift, if he thought it was for a white elephant and the event's already come and gone, he could have easily thrown away her list, her Secret Santa list. And he was just trying to think of things that she might like. And I think that's a good gift, honestly.
This girl gave me a horrible gift. The minimum was $25. It was a thing where you didn't have to do it if you didn't want to. This one should come up with, mind you, she got 2 girls that she talked to. Mind you, she talked to me every day, for one. She got 2 other girls something, nicer gifts. But this is what you gave me.
A cute.
Something from the bee farm that you had at your house. Everything came out her house.
That could be cute.
It's
candle.
like she was like, doop, let me get this today. Old ass oatmeal cookies.
Oh, some stale oatmeal cookies. No thanks.
Like, girl.
Some Oreos.
Still got the $125 on it.
That one kind of looks like it was used,
like,
honestly.
You said, go off my list. And she avoided me all day Friday. Like, you talk to me every day. You gave me bullshit. You could have just kept it. You didn't have to participate.
So I'm
True.
seeing that we're showing our Secret Santa gifts that we got from our workplace, from our coworkers. And I did enter one this year, so I'm going to open mine right now. Okay, so first thing, this is my favorite drink, and these are my favorite candy. So those are going to go back to my desk, and I'll probably finish those today. Okay, and then we got an apple pie blanket.
Fun.
Oh, and it smells, oh my gosh, it's a scented blanket.
I didn't know they
Scented
could be
infused
scented.
Plush throw. Oh my gosh, that actually smells like pie. That's also probably going back to my desk. Oh my gosh, she got me a little toy for my cat. That is so cute.
My cats do love those.
She got me a little toy for my cat. I love that.
I think those are like
Okay, we
97
also got this
cents
box
from
in this
Walmart,
bag.
but it doesn't matter. She loves it.
Oh my gosh. Warm apple pie. Oh my gosh, if we can burn this at work, I would. I used to work at Bath and Body Works, and apple pie was one of my favorites, so I did say that I liked apple scents. And then we got this box. So smart. I should probably put my gifts in a box too, because
Hey,
this lady
some
nailed it.
Takis.
She nailed it. I like everything I got.
Okay, I thought I'd throw that in there because it's the last one, and she liked her gift, which we have a lot of negative ones, so